how do I select a good tenant, and how do I get rid of a bad tenant?
Well, and I want to put most of our focus in my property management company. We have a lot of commercial properties and commercial tenants, and we also have residential. The focus of my answer is going to be primarily commercial here, and I'm happy to answer questions about residential later. But the things you want to do on the commercial side are, do a credit check, obviously, maybe run a background check even. You may need to get their consent. But there's services any good law firm or property management firm can access, which will allow you to see was there a prior bankruptcy, what's their credit score. They should voluntarily give that to you. And then you can look at the business. Is this a viable business? Is it an In-N-Out burger going in there, or is it Mabel's bead shop? And how much rent are they paying? And sort of the branded chain tenants are sort of the highest probability of being able to fulfill the lease obligation in general. And the ma and pa one-off stores are a little more risky. But you can also, you gotta look at each one on a case-by-case basis, see what kind of assets they have behind them. You can ask for bank statements and those sort of things. And if you do those steps in conjunction with your leasing agent and call on his and her experience, that'd be probably a pretty good way to start. And so you don't have a tenant who moves in with a lot of promises and then stops paying rent after 2 months.